At the IT internship over the summer, people started talking about Active Directory and different ways to configure Windows desktop computers. And because I took Windows operating system lessons at MET in my first year, I was able to know exactly what they were talking about and how to actually use it in the real world. Well, at MET, we started our first year learning about Cisco Intro to Networking, learning about the basics of computers, how they connect, the protocols they used, and ethics into information technology. In our second semester, we started learning about computer operating systems like Windows and Linux through Test Out, and actually got certifications for those operating systems. One of the things I learned at the internship was that just because devices can be really compact like laptops, it doesn't mean that they can't be opened up and repaired. That was only I can apply the skills I learned at this internship in my life just by not having the fear to open up compact devices like tablets and laptops anymore. And I can use this in a future career by being able to open up these devices that I originally never would have.
It's been an absolutely amazing experience with kids. They came into our repair department not tearing apart any type of equipment like this before. And my two technicians, Stacy Snyder and David Gaxil, just took them under their wings, showed them how to do a lot of repair work, and the kids just jumped right in and started repairing laptops. Their help helped us get our repair inventory down from 400 to 500 devices down to less than 100, which is a manageable repair quantity for my repair department.
This internship showed me potential career opportunities in computer repair that I originally would have never really looked at, as my entire focus isn't really on computer repair, but it's something that I found out that I really enjoy and love troubleshooting. It's important to learn on a hands-on application-based environment because on paper everything is controlled and things can't happen that are unpredictable. In the real world, unpredictable things happen all the time, and those things you're just going to have to roll with. I wanted to take part in the IT internship this summer because I wanted to know how a district as massive as the Peoria Unified School District can load the exact same Windows image onto thousands and thousands of computers and laptops and desktops.
We had an opportunity to buy 30,000 laptops with federal money, and we needed help. And that was another great thing to have, was the kids here to help us with that project. It was an all hands on deck type of a project. The kids jumped in again. They got in and did all the inventory and the unboxing and setting the devices up. They imaged them. They jumped right in with all the technicians and learned all of that process and learned how to do all of those things and did an exceptional job. And again, another reason why we completed that before school started.
If I had to give advice to somebody in a similar position as I was before this internship, I would say to go in with an open mind and not try to stop people from explaining something to you that you already know, because you could learn something new.